Hello, my African family. Hope you guys are good. Today, I'll tell you the difference of coming on an employment visa to UAE and coming on a freelance visa. I always suggest my friends to come on a freelance visa, not an employment visa. My friends outside UAE might be surprised that, Kareem, isn't it better to come on an employment visa? It is better to come on an employment visa, but not every time. Most of the times, people get in problems. My fellow Africans in UAE, they will agree to what I'm going to say. Now, let's take an example. This is an employment visa, and this is your freelance visa. When you come on an employment visa, most of the time the companies or your bosses take your passport. But on the other hand, while you're coming on a freelance visa, your passport is with you, and passport is the most important document that a person has, especially when he's in a different country. You should not give your passport to anyone. Then when you're on employment visa, most of the times you don't get paid on time. Not on time, you don't even get paid for 2 or 3 months or 4 months, and you can't do anything. Why? Because your passport